Have you ever been working with script text in Cricut Design Space and had your letters fill in, like this letter L? That is such a pain. Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm with DailyDoseOfDIY.com, and for today's Free Tip Friday, I'm going to show you how to put script letters together in Design Space and how to fix them if the letters fill in, like that letter L. So I've got started here. We're going to just type out the word hello, and I'm going to change that on the top menu to a script text. And you will see the letters stay spaced apart instead of together, like you would see a cursive text normally. So what we're going to do is go to the top of the layers menu and click ungroup, and that separates each letter. So now we can move them close together so that they are touching like a normal cursive font or cursive text would look like. Once you get them all together, it's very important you remember to weld them. So you need to select the whole letter. Right now, all letters are individual. Select it all, go down to the bottom of your layers menu and weld it. That will make it one continuous cut instead of those individual letters. But sometimes when you weld it like that, your letters insides will fill in, and we don't want that to happen. So to fix that, go to the top menu and click the undo button. I'm up there on that top left. Click it until the letters separate again. So now we all have, our weld is undone and we have individual letters. Select all the letters together and make it really big, and then try welding again. As you can see, that fixed our problem, and we can make the word back smaller to the size that we need to cut it. If it happens to not fix it, you need to space your letters apart. You would want to undo again, move your letters farther apart, and then re-weld. So while we're here, I'm going to show you a second way you can put your letters together. Instead of moving them individually, you can go to your top menu up here, and where it says letter space with your whole word selected, click the down arrow, and it's going to reduce the space between those letters. And you can just keep clicking down until they're spaced how you want, until the letters are touching. If you do it this way, you still need to remember to click weld. Once again, that's on the bottom of the layers menu, and that makes the word one continuous word instead of those individual letters. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that helped you. If it did, be sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!